Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, I'm going to give you an overview of Super Checkout. Now, for you to be able to use Super Checkout, you will have to go and create yourself a site inside of Cheetah. So I'm just going to click on Create New Site and just call this Super Checkout. Training and click blank. And this is where the pages are being created. On the left hand side, if you scroll down, you will see Super Checkout. You can just click on that. It's going to open up a page where it's asking for your business info. It's very important to note that you will not be able to go past this point if you haven't completed your business information. Here is a blue note that tells you why it is very important to make sure that everything is completed correctly, especially if you're selling a product and people might want a refund. They need to know what the information is to return the product. So it's important to have the correct details. I'm not going to talk about global affiliations because that would obviously also be talked about in the next sessions. We're just going to click Save so that we can get past this point. Now you'll note that this is basically a summary of what is happening on the left-hand side under Super Checkout. If you had any sales, you're going to see a graph running right here. It gives you all the details. All your products will be shown right here, all your offers will be shown right there, and all your sales right there. But we will go into that a little bit later. So under Create a Product, what will you find under Create a Product? You're going to be able to add single products and auctions. Auctions, you will have three choices. You will have a choice to create a highest bidder, to do a buyout, and to do a reverse auction. Now all of this will have single different kinds of training for it, so we will go through it as we go along. And then once you've done that, you would be able to click on My Products and My Auctions to be able to get the links that you are going to embed into your Cheetah website. The next one is Offers. Now what is an offer? An offer is basically a bump sell or an upsell. That is what that is. And once you've created that, again, it's going to go sit under My Offers, where you would go and grab the links as well. Then there's an option to create a coupon. When you create a coupon, it's important to remember to first create the coupon and then go and create your products. Because inside of the product section, you will need to enable a little box and choose the coupon that you have created. Then we've got sales. Sales is where it's going to show you exactly how much sales you have had for those specific days, the people that have purchased the product, and you would also be able to give refunds. And that all happens in this section. And it also applies with subscriptions. Then we got the affiliation, exactly with the same point at the top under the home. When we click that button, it asks us to enable it. We will go through that training, and then all the information is going to sit right here. And we will also have single training for that. News, obviously, is if there's any changes being made to Super Checkout so that you could be updated. This is a very short video just to tell you how it works, and I will see you in the next.